Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Hnin. If you guys are new, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so that you know when I upload. For this week's look, I am going to be doing a look for St. Patrick's Day, which is close by. Before we start this tutorial, I want to tell you guys that these lashes that I'm wearing, I have a discount code on it. Please look in the description box for the discount code for 10% off to save you guys some bucks. And if you guys want to know how I do this, please keep on watching. As a guide, you're first going to put this on the corner of your eyes so that when we do the glitter, it's going to be much more easier. First off, I'm putting this color in the crease line. I'm putting the darker shadow on the crease line as well too, but specifically focusing on the outer corner. So you guys, make sure that you do this before you put on any foundation. In case that you have any fallouts, it's easier to remove it. And the thing with this is, I don't guarantee the fact that this is the safest method, but this is just how I do it because personally, I find that there's like liquid liners, but they're not as intense as I want it to be, and they're a little bit liquidy. The glitter's not packed as much as I want it to be, so I use an eyelash glue and my own glitters. So I'm gonna mix these two. So we're going to do the outer V corner first. So I'm using the lash glue and I'm going to be working it in sections. On the lower lash line in the corner, I'm putting the darkest brown shade. And then to soften it up, I'm using the lighter shade. So I'm picking up just the yellow in here. I'm putting it in my inner corner. And then the little blue, putting it over it. I used So Cute first, but then I thought I needed much more color, so I added literally in the center of my lips. So this is the look that I created for you guys. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to leave a comment down below. And if you guys love it, please give it a thumbs up too. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!